Hey guys, I'm here with the Rize ramp set. So it comes with 2 ramps and what they call the tabletop. So flip it over here, dust it off, and I think you could easily use this for bikes, scooters for sure, RC cars, which is what we're gonna test it with today. And yeah, so it screws together like you saw before, and then go ahead and knock it out of there, George. There we go. Here, give it another try. We'll have to fix the alignment on that thing. I think it goes to the left, yeah. Hit it. But anyways, this thing is awesome. I'll step on it here in a second, but you gotta hit it with some speed, bro. I'll show you how to do it here in a little bit. Yeah, so anyways, this is plenty of strength and stability, especially in the middle. It's like super strong there, no problem standing on it. I'm about 200 pounds, and I think it's the perfect little ramp. Love this thing, highly recommend it. Probably do some more videos of bikes and stuff going over it, but I think it's the perfect one for RC cars, and we'll work on the alignment. Try to get it going from far away maybe, and hit it and get a video of that too. Thanks guys.